Open source water filter for rural communities. This project is a collaboration between El Domo and Universidad Rafael Landívar. In this video, we're going to show you how to build it. For it, you're going to need the following material: 4 5-gallon buckets, 2 taps, 1 hose, 2 cloth bags, underground materials that are moringa seeds, river sand, gravel, and charcoal. Before we start, we need to prepare the materials we're going to use. For example, if the buckets are dirty, we need to wash them. Sometimes they may have paint, so we're going to leave it a full day on thinner for it to wash it out. Then wash it again with detergent and water to clean it correctly. To make this filter, we need to drill holes in the base of 2 of the 4 buckets of 5 gallons. These holes will allow the water to pass from one bucket to another, from one station to another, specifically to the sand station to the gravel station, and then to the gravel station to the charcoal station. To allow the water to pass from the moringa station to the sand station, we're going to drill a bigger hole nearly on the base of the moringa bucket and another hole in the upper side of the sand bucket. We're going to connect these holes by the hose and 1 water tap. For this, we need to measure the distance we're going to need between the 2 buckets for the water to flow correctly. It means the water must fall without obstacles, flow perfectly. While the moringa is making its filtrating process, the tap will be closed so the water won't run out. After the process is completed, you will open the tap and let the water run through the other stations to make it more clear and safe. The connection between the water tap and the hose must be like this. And the other tap, we will install it in the last bucket, the one we haven't made anything to it yet. This will be the last station, the charcoal station, where the water will run through the recipient we're going to store it or to drink it directly. We can secure it with Teflon or special silicone, leaving it to dry 1 full day, so it won't mess with our water. Now, let's make the filter. First, we're going to make the base where the filter will stand, calculating the size of a container so we can receive the water that will be filtered. We will put on the top of the base the bucket with the water tap, and we'll put inside it 1 of the cloth bags. We will fill the half of the bag with charcoal. You can crush a little the charcoal so the filtration will be better. When it's filled, put the other bucket inside it. The second bucket is the one with the hose at the bottom. We won't put any cloth bag inside of it because the material that will contain is the gravel and it's less fine than the other ones. We'll fill the half of the bucket with gravel. After filling it, we will put the third bucket inside this one. This bucket is the one with holes at the bottom and 1 hole at the superior side of it to insert the hose. We will put a cloth bag inside of this one too, because this one we will fill it with sand. Fill 2/3 of the bucket with river sand. These cloth bags won't allow the materials to mix up and will also make the transportation and replacement easier. We will fill the last bucket with the water we want to filtrate, and depending the amount of water, we will put 2 tablespoons of crushed moringa seeds for every liter we want to filtrate. This time, there are 5 gallons, so we will put 1.5 cups of crushed moringa seeds. Mix it up and let it set, then do its job for around 5 to 10 hours. The moringa will pull apart the dirt at the bottom of the bucket and the clear water at the top. After this, we'll put this last station on top of the filter and we'll install the hose inside the sand bucket. We can open the tap to let the water run through the rest of the filter. Depending on the water flow, this process may take 1 to 3 hours. We recommend you not to drink the water from the first filtration because this water is is the first test to see that everything is running correctly. It's not safe to drink yet. Wait until the second filtration to see the quality of the water and test it. This is a do-it-yourself way we can obtain safe, clean, and accessible water by ourselves.